We're going to set up for soldering the back connections on this pendant. I really haven't done one too much like this before, but we need to set up. I have easy paste ready on the jump rings. I'll put them the space that I want them. I'm going to use cotter pins to hold underneath so they don't get too bent, and then I'll adjust them. The second one in place. Put another cotter pin underneath so in case it dips down. You can find something else to layer it up if you want to. I'm feeling pretty solid, it will stay in place. Take your time to adjust so that it's even. This is my name marker. All of this is with easy solder because I have quite a bit of soldering already done on the front, done with hard and medium. That spot is where I'm going to flush set a diamond. Now be sure to take your time before you start soldering that everything is where you want it to be. And then we will begin, we'll turn on our fan, start your torch. I know it'll start. And turn it down a little bit and begin warming your piece. Go closer as it gets closer. As you see it heat up, you'll see the filler in the paste. Okay, that jump ring is soldered over there. That one's soldered. I'm going to get this soldered. The paste is just about to run on that one. There we go, that one's on. Let's get this one. And that one's on. And we'll let it cool and put it in the pickle pot.